channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on a bronzy makeup look for your summer parties, and I came up with this idea because I saw other videos on YouTube and everyone was like using all the sunset kind of colors for their makeup tutorial and the day look they were doing actually. So I wanted to do a night look for summers. After this, everything I do in this video will be voiceover, and now I'll zoom you in and I'll start off with my eye makeup. So first of all, I'm starting with priming my eyelids with this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, and this will get the true color of my eyeshadows, and this step is very important in your eyeshadow routine. I'm blending this with my fingers. And now I'm setting the concealer with this True Match Mineral Foundation from Loreal, and this will help the concealer to set and help the shadows to blend properly. Now I'm using the blender brush to put the crease shade in my crease. Today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is one of my favorite palettes of all times, and I'm using a light brown shade to put into my crease to define it more properly. And now I'm using a darker shade than the previous one to deepen up the crease. Now I'm using an even darker shade, darker brown shade, to go into the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm using a brown shimmery shade to go into the inner corner of my eyelids, and I'm using a flat brush to put that color. I'm basically doing a halo eye today, and this is the first time I'm doing a halo eye on my YouTube channel. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution Rose Gold 2 palette, which is a blush palette, and I'm using this coppery shimmer shade to put in the middle of my eye, and I'm using my fingers to put it. This is a very pretty copper shade, and now I'm using this contour shade from the same palette, and to define the crease more, because I want all the colors to be blended together and there must not be any harsh lines. And now I'm using a chocolate brown shade from the same palette, and I'll define the outer V of my eyes. Since this is a party makeup, and so I wanted my outer V to be more intense. And now I'm using the same brown shade to go under my lower lash line. Now I'm using this gold shade to go at the center of my eyelid to make the eye more pop. And now I'll start off with my face makeup, and I'm using my Loreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, and this is my favorite of all the foundations I own. Seriously, it's very nice, even in the coverage, and the finish of this foundation is very nice. It's a satin finish. And today I'm using a flat brush to put this foundation, and I'll blend all the foundation with this dampened sponge. I'm doing this step so that it matches my skin tone and does not look as if it is sitting on my skin. Now I'll set my face with the same powder, the True Match Mineral Powder. This will make your makeup even long lasting and give you a finished look. Now I'm using my Sun Dream bronzer from Maybelline. Since it's a summer night makeup, I want myself to get that bronzy look on my face. And now I'm using the same Makeup Revolution palette and using this peach shade to go as my blush. This color is very pretty and it has a sheen to it. Today I'm using my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate as my highlighter, and I'll put this with the fan brush all over my cheekbones. And now I'm using this gold shade from the same blush palette and put this over the previous highlighter. And now I'm done with my face, and I did not add the clipping for my eyeliner and mascara, but I have already applied it off camera. And now I'm using this Kajal from Loreal to go into my waterline. And now I'll put my lipstick. Today I'm using my Lakme Enrich Crayon in Cinnamon Brown. Guys, I love this color, and I have previously spoken about this product. And now I'm using my L'Oreal Rouge Magique lipstick. The shade is Mont Blanc, and this is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. And now I'm using my Maybelline and Gigi Hadid collaboration lipstick, and this is in the shade McCall. And this is the final look. Guys, for watching my video, and if you like the look, please comment down below and let me know. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this, and click on the bell icon down below so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.